This is a 70cm bamboo terry square, and to start with you lie it out so it's positioned like a diamond in front of you. Use the top corner and pull that down towards the middle of the nappy. If baby is a bit younger and shorter, you can take it past the middle to make it smaller. Take the bottom corner and do exactly the same thing. So notice I've crossed them over in the middle for a smaller baby. Now you're going to fold the two outer edges. Pick the corner up and you bring it towards the top, which is going to form the waistband. Again, you can do this to sort of halfway to where the points are underneath, or again, if baby's smaller, to make it narrower, just cross it over slightly. Out flat. Do the same with the other side, bring it up towards the waistband. And that's the basic shape of your nappy. Now get the paper liner and put that inside, and up to this point you can do all of this when the nappies are dry, so you've not got to do it when baby's on the change table. And get baby, position them on the nappy, bring the front of the nappy up between baby's legs, hold in place, and bring the tabs round, pulling them nice and tight. Secure with your nappy nipper. And this is how this nappy fold gets its name. So it forms a very neat nappy at the front. You haven't got any bits sticking out. It's very smooth and flat. However, the legs are still too far down and will stick outside the wrap, so you need to fold them over to form a cuff. And this is literally just folding them back on themselves. You can do this twice to form a double cuff, which greatly improves containment. Just do the same on the other leg. That takes the nappy slightly higher up the legs. Wrap to go over the top. This is a Velcro wrap, but you could also use a popper wrap. Check all the nappies inside. If you find you've got any nappies sticking out, which is quite common with terry squares because they come so far down, just fold it back over again, just fold it over and push it inside the wrap so it's hidden out of sight. So the legs are all fine now. Again, just check the back, because again with terry squares, if you haven't got the length quite right, they can stick out. It's just a tiny bit sticking out here, and then all you do is again just fold it over, form another cuff at the back which will aid containment, and then cover with the wrap. And that was the neat fold.